So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to add social media icons to your Wix website. So come on to this website called lsite.com, click on widgets and click on social media icons here. Now click on create widget and choose whichever template you like. I'll go with this one and now click on continue with this template. You can also customize your template here and also put your link of your social medias here. And after doing this, click on add to website. And now you just have to sign up for your Lsite account. After finishing up with sign up, you just have to click on save button and choose this subscription. And now you just have to click on this code to copy it and come to your editor.wix.com. Now go for add elements and go for embed code, and in this go for embed HTML. And now click on this box and paste the code you have just copied. Now click on update button. And you can see the social media icons are here on my Wix website. So if you find this video interesting and helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and thanks for watching.